Hey everyone, I'm gonna make a soup. It's a January, night, Friday night, and so I'm gonna make a soup with. Let me see. I got some fresh young chicken drumsticks, as you know, young chicken, no antibiotics, and the first thing we need to do is to turn on the heat. I mean the stove. So here we go. Stove, medium heat, and for soup you always want to hold on a second. For soup you always want to have a bigger pot, as you can see. Into this we're going to add obviously olive oil. I would say maybe a couple of tablespoons. Here we go. That's good enough. And then into this we're going to add, I have a little bit of garlic and the onion, so we're going to add this into this into our chicken. All right, so let me see. Here we go. Make sure all the garlic is there, because I don't have a lot of garlic. I didn't realize. And then into this our usual suspects, hold on a second, I'm sorry. Turmeric, as you can see, a little bit of turmeric, which is good for you, and a little bit of salt, sea salt, as you can see, right, sea salt. I'm usually easy on the salt, so a little bit of ground cumin, just a little bit. You don't want to have it what do you call the stew, it's a soup, so and then I have ground sage, as you can see. Ground sage, you can see it. So a little bit of this sage, as you know, are herbs. So and then you just let it, basically just let this cook for a little bit. Let me get a spatula. Do I have a spatula? Yes, I do. You can see. So just mix this. Make sure all the spices and the garlic and the chicken are evenly mixed. All right. So, and then let the chicken basically gain a little bit of like what do you call color, that brown color, satay color. And meanwhile I'm going to add a little bit of into our soup. I'm going to add probably half of the potato, and then I also have some frozen peas and carrots. And then pasta, obviously some really nice pasta, as you can see. Which one is it? I don't know what is it called. But it's a really, really good pasta. And then I also have some like really good tomato sauce, as you can see. I'm going to add this a little bit and then into our soup. And then we'll add, oh, you know what I forgot? Oh, maybe I didn't. Hold on a second. I thought I had broth. I had broth. Let me see. Yes, I do have broth. Awesome. So I have actually vegetable stock, actually not broth. So I'm going to add this to our soup. So so yeah, that's it. So hopefully it turns out really, really great. And then I'm going to garnish it with a little bit of what you call cilantro later on. And so yeah, so I'll be right back. Hey everyone. Okay, as you can see, our chicken has, drumsticks have gained that nice color, from the sauteing. So I flipped them so that they gain the color on the other side as well. As you can see, I had to turn on the flame a little bit just in case, because this is creating a little bit of like smoke and grease. So So I did that, as you can see. And into this, we're going to add our half of the small potato, as you can see, and then just mix it, right? And in a few minutes, I'm going to add broth. I'm going to add broth and let the chicken cook for like maybe 8 minutes, and then I'm going to add pasta, and then the pasta and then the green peas and the carrots. All right, so give me a few minutes. All right, everyone, it's time to add broth. I mean, not broth, but stock, vegetable stock, as you can see, to our chicken. And then the onions and potatoes and garlic and all that, right? So I think I'm going to do half broth and half water. So let me add some water into this. Hold on a second. Hot water. Make sure hot water. Because you know, it's a soup, so you want to make it soupy, right? Okay, so there you go. And as you can see, the color is amazing color. So chicken should be basically should be cooked like in maybe 7-8 minutes, and then I'm going to add the pasta and the peas, and then pasta will take about, usually for soup, you know, I cook it for like 10 minutes. Cooking instruction, I'm not sure, but I know, I mean, I usually, if you want to make pasta, then it's usually like al dente, but if you want to make a soup, it can be not overcooked, but you can cook it well. All right, so I will be right back. Okay, everyone, so at this point in time, as you can see, I had the lid on. At this point in time, we will be adding a little bit of tomatoes, as you can see, about 3/4 of a plum tomato, because you don't want to add a lot of tomatoes because you're going to be adding these tomato sauce, right? So add these in here, as you can see, and then also at this point in time, we're going to add our chickpeas and pasta. Pasta, I would say, hold on a second. Okay, here we go. So, hold on a second. Come on. Hold on a second. Okay, so pasta, as you can see, I'm going to add a little bit of water so that it's soupy. So just give me 1 second, I'm sorry. So about half a cup of water, one more. Okay, so, and then into this, I'm going to add a pasta, as you can see here, right? Pasta. I would say about a cup of pasta. Not more than that. So there we go. Let me show it to you guys. Hold on a second. Oops, I dropped pasta. Okay, so here we go. As you can see, make sure that the pasta is actually submerged in the water, because it has to cook in the water, you know. You can't just have it outside. So make sure it's submerged. I mean in the soup, not the water, but in the soup. Right? And then into this, I mean, we're gonna also add what are we going to add into this? Oh yeah, the peas, the green peas and the carrots, right? Green peas and carrots. So let's see. Okay, so as you can see, green peas and carrots. I think that's good enough. And then you're gonna mix all this, as you can see, right? Green peas and carrots. So, and then now let this cook for, I would say 9 minutes. let's put the lid back on, 9 minutes, and then I'm going to add a little bit of tomato sauce, right? The tomato sauce, and also I'm going to add a little bit of cheese. I think I have some artisanal cheese in the fridge. Let me see what I got. Oh, this one here. This is some amazing, as you can see, cheese. Also, I think I should add a little bit of shiitake, dry shiitake mushrooms. So this cheese is, I think it's French or Italian, one of those, right? So that, and then I'm going to add. After I add pasta sauce, then I'm going to add the cheese on top of that. But for now, I'm going to add a little bit of dry shiitake mushrooms. You know, mushrooms are good for your health, for your organs and all that, right? So just a little bit, you know. So let me add these. Okay, I think that's good enough. As you can see, the mushrooms, right? Okay, so in like 8 minutes, about 7 to 8 minutes, we're gonna add our sauce, and then the a little bit of cheese, and then have it cooked for another, I would say, another minute, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of lemon juice, and then you know, our garnishing, which is our, as you can see, our cilantro. All right, I'll be right back. All right, everyone, it's time to add our sauce, you know, tomato sauce. So I'm going to add probably like 3 tablespoons approximately. As you can see, I'll show it to you. So that should be good enough. Oh, amazing, right? So that gives it a nice taste and texture. And then on top of that, I'm going to add a little bit of like cheese. I don't have a cheese grinder. Do I have a cheese grinder? Let me see. I mean grater. Oh, I do. Okay. So I got the cheese grater, as you can see. So this is a grater not only for cheese but for other stuff as well. So give me 1 second. So I'm going to use this, and then I'm going to just grate the cheese a little bit. Hold on a second. Yeah, the cheese. Okay, so great. This a little bit. Okay. Let's see. Make sure the plastic is not grated. Okay, so that's our grated cheese, as you can see. I think that's good enough. That's good enough. Let me show it to you guys. Sorry. Okay, here, as you can see, some amazing artisanal cheese, and then just add this to the pasta. As you can see, that should give it a really nice, like, you know, taste and texture and aroma. So now mix everything, right? Mix everything. So let the cheese basically just melt. Smells really good. And then now basically just let it cook for, I would say, another maybe 3 minutes, right? In the sauce and with the cheese, and then we're going to add the little bit of lemon juice, squeeze a little bit of lemon juice on top of this, and then garnish it with cilantro, right? And then maybe do a little bit of black pepper. All right, I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so basically our soup is ready, so it's time to turn off the stove. Stove is off, as you can see. Looks amazing, as you can see. Looks really amazing. And I'm just going to squeeze a little bit of lemon on top of this to give it that nice, amazing, you know, texture to it. And then our garnishing, cilantro, as you can see, chopped cilantro, and then just evenly on top of this, and there you go. So that's your dish. Amazing. You can try it with your own ingredients and meat, and if you are a vegetarian, then you can do vegetarian. And I'll see you all next time.